This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Roger Remington. Enjoy the beauty of the North Georgia mountains in a prestigious cabin community. Only minutes from town. Incredible mountain views with easy access. Underground utilities, public water currently being installed in the development, and protective covenants and restrictions. Less than 10 miles to downtown Blue Ridge. For more information, review the details below or contact Roger Remington at 678-358-8727.